How to lock apps on Android. Now in order to do that, just simply go over your Play Store and after that simply search for app lock in your Play Store. Then after that it will recommend a lot of apps in order to lock your app on Android. I'll be using this app lock. Just simply choose which app lock you would like to use and after installing the app lock, simply tap to open button. Now it will open the AppLock application. Now you can create a pattern in order to unlock the applications, or you might be able to set up a pin depending on your application. Just simply confirm the pattern or pin and after that you have to agree to the user agreement. You can enable or disable the notification. Now after doing this much, you are all set to lock your applications. Now in order to lock your app using the same pattern that you created, you just simply need to tap into this lock icon beside the app you want to lock. For example, if you want to lock settings, just simply tap into this locker icon beside settings. And whenever you open setting next time, you have to open the lock from the app lock. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.